Vocabulary for our Scoil. I expect you to know both the Irish and the English for these words. Cover the English, see if you can translate the Irish into English. Then cover the Irish and see if you can translate the English into Irish. Write out these words each night to help you with your spelling. After every 5 words here, pause the video and repeat to help with your pronunciations. Béarla, Gaeilge, Mata, Star, Tiroliacht, Corbidicus, Aline, Ceol, Credav or Religion, Dromiacht, Oliacht, Cahir. Board, An Túlar, Fuinneog, Clordov, Sulis, Doris, Pictor, Mala, Coplower. Scissor, Muntor, Calc, Wrong, Lower, Clug, Pion, Glantor, Cofra, Scoob, Buckade, Relor, Screesaw.